diretso muna sa ano, sa tindahan. Pero narito na kami sa ano, sa area ng farm. Ayun, at bali itong farm na ito sakop na ng Saudi ito eh. Pero may agreement ng Kuwait at saka Saudi, kaya binigay ng Saudi ito sa Kuwait. Bali yung border mga 10 kilometer Saudi na, simula rito sa farm. Ayan, dadaan muna kami sa tindahan at mamimili ng lulutuin. Ayan, medyo maagap kami, maagap ang aming maagap ang aming lakad. Hindi kasi pumasok tong dalawang kasama. Ayun, yung isa namin kasama mamaya pa. Ngayon hindi sigurado yung sasakyan, kaya ako sumabay na rito. Ayun, mamaya mag-video na. Malapit na kami. Malapit na kami sa tindahan. Ayan, kami nakapamili na. Namili kami ng kaldero, mga lutuan. Naiwan kasi yung isang lutuan na inuwi ko kasi may laman pang ulam. Nalimutan naman namin, nalimutan ko naman dalhin. Ay, mga pinamili namin.
Okay.
Bumili rin kami ng yelo. At ayun, papunta na kami sa ano, what time now? 5:30. Ayan, madilim. Madilim. Ayan, dito na kami, madilim. 5:30, madilim na. At mamaya na lang. Ayan. Ito na kami, nag-umpisa na. Maraming dalang ano.
Per night. Or not per night, sorry.
For the weekend.
Yeah.
So the
Wala na yung apoy.
يعني بتروح خميس بالليل.
Maraming dalang agwa de pataranta.
وعلى البيع 5 أيام. During the weekday. From Sunday to Wednesday night.
حبيبي يا عمو.
يلا.
ايه لا ولا يعني 4 ساعات ونص ابقى اطلع من البوابه.
Ayan, at
القاهره يعني لازم 140 100.
di pa kami
ما
nagluluto.
نزلتش تحت، لو نزلت تحت اوصل في اكتر من كده عشان اطلع من اسكندريه. انا في الشمال اروح الجنوب عند الصعيد عايش 12 ساعه.
Gaano pa kami ng
ما شاء الله.
12 ساعه.
agwa de pataranta.
واحد شارد لما لي بس على الكرسي.
May kasama kaming sponsor.
طياره 3 ساعه.
Yeah, man,
شوف هذا اللي بطلت نروح بسياره.
At
لا الطياره 3 ساعه.
mamaya
اللي يخليني
aking kukunan kung anong
بس يوصل لهناك خلاص يرد.
lulutuin.
نفس كأنه
بس
لما
طيارات
Panibagong ano naman ito,
صغيرة اللي هي بس تلاقي
كويتي
كرسيين
ديش.
نفس الباص. كرسيين وكرسيين ما تلاقيش نفس الطيارات 3 وبتاع.
لأن رحلة قصيرة فيخلون
Boss,
ايه تلاقي صغيرة شوية.
what kind of dish you will cook tonight?
It's an old. It's an old.
What?
Hold on, I got the giggles. Okay,
Old.
it's
Is that original dish of Kuwaiti?
you could say it's an Arabic style of macaroni.
Oh, okay.
Kuwait style macaroni with some personal
But
touches.
you see what I share to you?
Which one?
Who is the origin of spaghetti?
Yeah, Arabs. Yeah, Arabs are the first ones.
مسوينها من التراب.
No, when back in the day, when they used to bring wheat and stuff like that, so they can grow, because it was a staple food. So they made like pasta, bread, all that stuff. And then when they started doing the trading and stuff like that, okay. First they went to China, and then when they took over Italy in that area, then it became a staple food for Italy.
Okay. So
And China had the Chinese noodles. So basically, the original people who actually made spaghetti noodle was the Arabs,
Ayan.
not the Chinese, and not the Italians.
but the other thing is, you know, the Italians,
Yeah.
mine,
Ayan, natuklasan namin na
What?
tomatoes.
ang original palang gumawa ng spaghetti
Mexico.
ay rito sa Arab.
You know the Italian tomatoes, the San Marizanos?
Yeah.
They're from Mexico.
During nung dinala ng Chinese dito ang noodles sa Arab,
Plants
Yeah.
from Mexico.
sila ang unang gumawa ng spaghetti. Ngayon, senior nila sa parang dala na rin sa Italy.
Sauces.
Oh, but then again, when I was in Italy,
Kaya yung
I was eating
sila palang
all the time
origin, yung talagang unang gumawa ng spaghetti.
Fantastic.
because they
Pasta.
everything that's not organic, you know, like
Ayun, yung lulutuin namin ni
all illegal in Italy.
well, mamaya kukunan ko ng
They
medyo
can't
mamaya.
have anything with pesticides. They can't have anything with.
Ay, mamaya.
So
Ayan, at medyo nagkakasiyahan na kami rito.
did you say?
Yeah, you want to shot?
Medyo tagilid na rin yung aming daan. Mamaya hinihintay ko magluto yung aking bossing. What dishes you will cook today, tonight?
Macaroni dish.
No, I mean the name.
I call it Kuwaiti macaroni.
Kuwaiti macaroni. There's no specific name. That's Kuwaiti macaroni.
With Kuwaiti spices.
Ayun, at medyo tagilid na yung aming. The land is not balanced now, not level.
It's already enough. You want another shot?
The ground is not level now.
Oh look, grand.
And ayan, kami magluluto na. We are now cooking. And my boss will be the one to cook.
What should I?
Medyo tagilid na ang aming nilalakaran dito. You know what I mean?
Exactly. I don't know what you said, but that's alright.
I mean the ground is not level.
No, of course not. The ground ain't level at all.
So, yun. Ayan,
It's a mission.
So, what are the ingredients of this?
This is right now the very basic of the sauce. It's gonna be onions, red onion,
Sibuyas, garlic,
and
tomato.
then tomatoes.
Tomato. Ginisa lang siya. Para ding sa Pinas. But I think we have to boil this first.
No, the sauce first, and then.
And then we will put this. Ayun lang.
Because
Parang.
the macaroni only takes 10 minutes. The sauce takes at least a half
And the
hour.
meat will be beef.
Yeah, I'm gonna cook it separately, and then I'll add it at the end.
Not together with this.
I'll add it with the sauce afterwards.
No, I mean you will not cook together with this onion, garlic, and
Not yet,
tomato.
not yet, not yet. I will add that with the sauce.
Okay. Ayun, bali Kuwaiti macaroni. Ayun, bali but you will put tomato paste. Okay. Ayun, bali igigisa lang siya. Bawang sibuyas kamatis. Tapos lalagyan ng tomato paste. Tapos hindi isasama paggigisa yung beef. Lulutuin ng separate. Tapos saka ilalagay. We will cook this macaroni together with the sauce.
At the end, yes.
At the end. Okay.
I'll show you how to do it.
Ayun, at
There's a special step to it.
okay. Ayun. And can we show the sauce?
Yes,
You put already the
Nah.
tomato paste.
Not yet. Right now, just the sauce to cook first.
Oh yes.
So once
Lots
this-
of tomato.
Yeah, once this gets boiled down, this is.
Ayun, talagang maraming kamatis nilagay.
I should probably put up more of the heat.
And my friend,
Yeah, that should.
why are you running?
I have no.
Okay. Ayun, mamaya pakita ko yung ano. Pag inaano pa lang, naggigisa pa lang. My boss cooking the meat. So after this,
After this, I mix the sauce and then I
Mix
put
the
the
sauce.
spices and everything like that together.
oh,
Yeah, baby.
there's a lot of I think that is from a dog or
Probably, but this is.
the hair.
I didn't wear this in a while.
So yeah, he's cooking the meat, beef meat, ground meat. Ayun, at ayun, halos pareho lang ng spaghetti sa Pilipinas. Why you hit so hard?
Let's go.
So almost same like spaghetti in the Philippines,
Almost,
but
but Kuwait stuff.
Kuwait
as
Kuwait
sweet.
is done. Yeah. In Philippines, spaghetti is sweet. You put
Very true.
okay. Later, I will take video again. Here's my best friend,
Hello everybody. ¿Cómo estás?
Ayun, mamaya ulit aking video ulit yung kinuluto. Ayun, at ito. Tinitimplahan na ni Bossing. So, boss, what did you put here in this?
I put turmeric powder in the water.
Okay.
This
Ayun,
is going to be for the
to
macaroni.
cook this macaroni.
Exactly.
And this is
Salt.
salt. Okay. My boss, nilagyan na ng yung macaroni pakukuluan sa turmeric. Pinakulo, tubig with salt. Then after this, when the macaroni is done,
We add everything together.
and then mix.
And then, of course, salt to taste. Right now, here's the sauce.
Yeah,
And I
talagang
cook
ano,
it together.
almost same like
Almost like spaghetti, almost.
Same like we cook spaghetti.
Almost the same.
Almost same. Ayan, bali halos pareho rin ang pagluluto ng spaghetti. Pero ito may turmeric. Mamaya tingnan natin kung anong kung masarap. Pero nakatikim na ako, yung masarap naman. Ewan ko lang sa conforme rin minsan sa tao na panlasa ng tao. Pero masarap para sa akin.
It's not bad.
Yep.
So hopefully once the mix, I'll start tasting it to make sure.
And we will wait until the water is boiling and
Yeah,
then we'll put
when you
the...
have the water, the macaroni.
Okay.
And then once the macaroni cooks for about 10 minutes, and then we mix everything together afterwards. And then we should be fine. It'd be very tasty. And
We have same belly. Ayun, at
Actually gave up trying to understand it.
Even rich,
ayun, dito naman sa
when you die,
here
even a single, is a single.
we are
you cannot
talking
bring-
about politics.
Right?
It's okay to you if I put you in the video? This is for YouTube. No problem? Yeah, my
Really,
boss,
I cannot
best friend,
understand this one. Until now.
Nasser.
Okay.
And
We have Muslim, we have
nag-uusap
Christian,
kami
we have-
tungkol sa
See, when
politics.
we are die,
And mamaya
I see that
aking
one
ulit,
Muslim guy.
video ko ulit.
Believe me, youth Muslim and youth Christian. But he never
And
touched the,
itong aking bossing
never point a gun or point.
my boss try to drain the, he just keeping the secret of the menu. Oh yeah, okay. Ayun, na-drain na yung pasta.
Looks grand to me.
Okay.
Mix everything together.
It turns to yellow, huh?
Yeah.
Because of the
Like turmeric powder.
turmeric. Ayun. Naging yellow na yung pasta dahil turmeric, gawa ng turmeric.
You know, some people they say that people pray,
So
they're angry or
after this, you just only mix and then eat like that. So we will now prepare all the plates. Ayun, i-prepare ko na yung plate at kakain na kami. Where did we put our plates?
So it should be in one of those crates right there.
Ah, yeah. Okay. Ayan, kami kunin ko yung plate. Lahat, mamaya ulit. I-prepare ko yung plate. Yeah. Let me see. What is that? Ketchup. Ah, ketchup.
Macaroni.
Ketchup is over there.
There.
There's hot sauce, there's salty, there's ketchup عادي موجود هنا. تبي الكاتشب العادي.
اه لا كاتشب عادي. اوكي.
And ketchup. What minute? What do you want? Hot sauce or ketchup?
تبي حار ولا بارد؟
لا خلي انا بس هو تعبي المكرونه وسلقها وخلاص.
So, ito, pakikita ko yung niluto. And halos ano, pareho rin ng luto ng spaghetti. Pero ayun, ganun lang siya. Hindi siya matamis. Walang tamis. Ayan, at prepare na namin yung plate.
They chased back as far as they could go with, you know, human civilization. And then when you look at it and you look at the history and you look at everything that was happening,
Ito, arrange lang namin.
You guys should bring your blankets here and leave it here.
Yeah.
It's gonna get cold.
It's getting cold.
By December, it's gonna get really cold at night.
Cool.
I'm gonna bring the sleeping bags here though.
Where
I'm
Nasir,
gonna take them to the laundry and get them nice and clean and I'll drop them here.
Nasir, sleep together with your tent?
I don't know. I think he's gonna. I don't know. I think he's gonna sleep in his stuff.
Here I have two SS helmets. One of these is real and the other is fake. Let's take a closer look. Now you might have guessed
Ayan, kami
because it's just too nice, but
matutulog na. Naantok na rin. Pero yung kasama namin naroon pa sa labas. At bukas na lang. Malamig na. Kanina nung dumating kami rito, medyo mainit-init pa. Ay nung magpatak na ng alas 9 yan, simula nang lumamig. At bukas na lang ulit. Ayan, magandang umaga. At kami ano na, 9:30 na ng umaga rito. At bagong gising.
Of course.
What I don't like, I don't know why.
Kami muna
We are always
tingin ako ng kape.
Yeah.
Tingin muna ako ng kape.
the owner of the bakery.
Yes, kape muna kami. This guy also, if I'm not there, he will be searching for me. Because maybe when before we are around 1,012 like that. Now maybe 10 is gone. We are 2 only there.
Oh yeah.
No. Before 12 person working there.
Huh?
In
No.
bakery.
Where's my sunglasses?
The grupo namin ba?
The group.
Around 12. After now, other go back home. Other involved in the drugs. We go.
Yeah, that's not good.
And this guy also before got involved in the drugs. I tell him, you make your business and you get involved in the drugs, forget about your business.
Yeah.
You will be go down.
Yeah, that's true.
So that's why he always, and he's afraid to me because I tell him, if I see you that you taking again,
Yeah.
I will escape with you. Forget about it.
Yeah.
Now his business is okay,
That's good.
but sometimes he telling me.
Kaya nagluluto kami ng itlog at saka luncheon meat, chicken. Gagawin ko Pinoy style, ginisang itlog sa mga kunong luncheon meat, tapos kubos. Ang kubos nito yung tinapay na mawalang palsa. At magluto muna ako.
3 hours later.
Magdadagdag kami ng tent. Simboli namin ng bagong tent. Okay.
Plastic.
Ay, kakain na kami. Filipino style.
This is not Filipino style, this is Kuwaiti style. So you're in Kuwait, in the soil of Kuwait.
That's it, you're Kuwaiti now. Now you just need the headdress.
Kaya muna kami.
Spoon.
عاد اليوم نحط الصوص داخل الثلاجة خليه الفاتحين يعني.
أكيد طبعا نستغل أي حاجة تحط في الثلاجة.
Yeah, exactly. Simple is always good.
How about Indian food? You want?
Hmm?
I know some Indian food.
Really?
And there is also technique.
I saw the videos.
After putting the oil.
And you know what's weird? That people actually eat that.
Tapos na kaming kumain. Kami ala. Ayan, dagdagan na ng aming tent. Upuan.
ان شاء الله يعني خلاص ما راح ماكو ماشي ولا شيء.
At mahangin ngayon. At mamaya ulit. Ayan, ginabi na uli kami. Pero maaga pa naman, madilim lang. Alas 6. Ayan, nabago na yung tent.
Condominium.
Ito yung cashier. You will put the cashier here. And what you can place the food there for ordering. Cashier here.
And then don't forget the Russian roulette table. And the blackjack table right over there.
Ayan, maganda na.
That way we'll make some money off the casino.
Ito ang isang gusto kong bilhin rito eh. May nabibili rito mga 5KD. So less than 1,000 sa pera natin. Ayan. Kasama yung ilaw. Yung ilaw na yun kasama. Isang set, may bag. Ano ito? Fishing rod. Pero kasama yung ilaw na yun. Malakas. Ito. Malakas yung ano, ilaw. Ayan. Patayin ko ito. O yan. Maganda pagka magkakamping. Ang dami rito kasi ganito pagka taglamig. Ano na, panahon na ng camping. Nagkakamping. Ang napansin ko, mas maliwanag sa field yung ganun madilaw kaysa dun sa ganun puti. Ayun, puti yun. Puti yung isa na yun. Mas maliwanag ang ano, ang dilaw. Madilaw ang ano. Kaya itong ginagamit ko na ilaw, madilaw ang sinag. May adjacent to yan. Ayan, puti yan. Pag ginawa mong dilaw, yung visibility niya mas maganda. Ayun, puti. Mas maliwanag. Mas kita sa field yung dilaw. Ayun, 12 volts yun. Bala kong bumili nun para pag kakamping, basta mo lang ititirik, sasaksak sa lupa. Yan. Yan na yung tent. Hali nagpiprepare sila sa ano, sa New Year. Yung mga family pupuntahan rito. Kahit na siguro maya lang iuwi na kami. Sige, ayun, yung niluto kong itlog kanina ay masarap daw. Tiradang Pinoy lang naman yun. Yung luto ba na pagka nagpipiknik at tinamad magluto, ay itlog lang, ginisang itlog lang.
That egg in the morning, it's better that
For breakfast.
put a little bit chili, right? That's morning time.
The egg that I
Bit
cook.
chili.
May tiradang Pinoy. Ano, pagka nasa bukid, sa palayan, magluluto sa daling araw, yun. Sarap sa pandesal yun. Ay, nagustuhan naman nila. Masarap daw. Sinamahan ko ng luncheon meat na manok kasi bumili. Sinama ko. Ginayat ko sa ako sinama. Pero usually sa atin, itlog lang naman ang ginagamit. Yung iba, lalagyan rin ng hotdog. Ayun lang at ayun, yung niluto namin kanina ng kakagabi na macaroni, masarap. Siya.
Alhamdulillah rabbil alamin. كل ما نجي
Pagkakaiba lang talaga sa atin.
نعرف
medyo matamis. Ayun at siguro hanggang dito na lang. At magandang araw dyan sa atin.